Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products. This is split the Faucet units. Now let me give you the overall sizes first. This unit's entire height is almost about like a 3 feet. And depth of the units right here about like a 14.5 inches. And for the middle to the behinds, they are about another like a 7.5 inches. And the wide for the units, they are about like a total about like a 9 inches total. So as we can see, the unit split the units, handlebars, you can remove it simply. And also we're having a lock for this dispenser. You can remove it or release it. I'll just put it back to hold this one. And when you want to clean the units, you can just put this one back. And as we can see, this side, we're having a control switch right here for the top faucets. And they can turn to the left or right. And also having the 2 water connections for heat waters and cold waters. And we can look at the top. We also have a small hinge at the hands. For this part, can mount on the wall to secure the units to make it don't fall down. And also there's a head shaft. They can turn to any shape you want, any round, left, right. Put this one back. That's what will be all information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.